Do something you're very passionate about, and don't try to chase what is kind of the hot passion of the day.
Work hard, like every waking hour. That's the thing I would say. Now is the time to take risk.
Dream big. Align your passion and purpose in life with a goal. If you focus on the goal, you will overcome all obstacles. If you focus on obstacles, you will never reach your goal.
Ever look at a billionaire and wonder, what's their secret? How do they not just build massive wealth, but consistently protect and grow it, even during recessions, market crashes, or global uncertainty? Here's the thing, it's not luck. It's not just connections or access to exclusive deals. It's a carefully crafted investment strategy, honed over time, and driven by principles that anyone, even you, can learn to apply. So buckle up, because we're diving deep into the strategies the wealthy use to not just stay rich, but get richer every single day. Number 1, the mindset of wealth. The first thing you'll notice about billionaires is how they view money. To them, money isn't something to spend frivolously. It's a tool to create more opportunities. They focus on long-term wealth creation. While many people chase quick wins, lotteries, meme stocks, or get-rich-quick schemes, the wealthy play the long game. They understand that true wealth takes time and discipline. Billionaires don't panic when the stock market dips or when headlines scream about a recession. They see downturns as opportunities to buy assets at a discount. Think about it. While the average investor is selling out of fear, billionaires are quietly scooping up undervalued investments. Number 2, the power of diversification. There's a reason you hear "don't put all your eggs in one basket" over and over. Billionaires take this to the next level by diversifying across industries, markets, and even countries. Their portfolios include a mix of 1. Stocks, blue-chip companies, dividend-paying stocks, and emerging market opportunities. 2. Real estate. From luxury properties to commercial spaces and even farmland, real estate is a favorite for preserving and growing wealth. 3. Alternative assets. Private equity, hedge funds, art, wine, and even cryptocurrency are part of their toolkit. 4. Cash and cash equivalents. Billionaires always keep cash on hand to seize opportunities during market crashes. This kind of diversification shields their wealth from the impact of any single economic downturn. If one market tanks, their other investments can balance the loss. Number 3, capital preservation over high risk. Here's a critical insight. Billionaires are often more focused on not losing money than they are on making it. They adhere to Warren Buffett's famous rule. 1. Never lose money. 2. Don't forget rule number 1. Rather than chasing risky trends, they look for investments that can preserve their capital while delivering steady growth. Bonds, index funds, and inflation-protected assets are staples in their portfolios. This cautious approach ensures their wealth remains intact, even when markets get rocky. Number 4, leveraging debt the right way. Did you know billionaires often borrow money to grow richer? But they don't take on consumer debt like credit cards or car loans. They use good debt, loans, and leverage that help them acquire income-generating assets. For example, Step 1, taking out loans to buy real estate that generates rental income. Step 2, using margin loans to invest in stocks while keeping their cash free for other opportunities. Step 3, leveraging business credit to expand their companies without dipping into personal funds. The key is that they ensure the returns from their investments exceed the cost of the debt, making it a net positive strategy. Number 5, mastering the tax game. Here's where it gets technical. Billionaires know how to work within the tax system to keep more of their money. They hire top tax advisors to take advantage of deductions, credits, and legal loopholes. Common strategies include: Number 1, charitable giving. Donating to foundations and charities reduces taxable income while supporting causes they care about. Number 2, trusts. setting up family trusts to protect generational wealth. Number 3, offshore accounts, using international accounts to minimize taxes in high-tax jurisdictions. Remember, these strategies are perfectly legal, they're just not commonly known to the average person. Number 6, the magic of compound interest. Billionaires understand the incredible power of compounding. They don't let their money sit idle. Every dollar is put to work, earning returns that then generate more returns. This snowball effect is why even modest investments can grow into staggering sums over time. Take this, for example. A $1 million investment growing at 10% annually turns into $2.59 million in just 10 years. That's without adding a single extra penny. Now imagine scaling that with billions of dollars. It's easy to see why their wealth multiplies so quickly. Number 7, taking calculated risks. Billionaires aren't reckless, but they're not afraid to take risks either. The key is that their risks are calculated. Whether it's investing in a high-growth startup, launching a new product, or entering emerging markets, they do their homework. They analyze potential returns, weigh the risks, and always have a backup plan in case things don't go as expected. You don't need $1 billion to think like a billionaire. Start small. 1. Focus on saving and investing consistently. 2. Diversify your portfolio, even if it's just a mix of stocks and bonds to start. 3. Prioritize long-term growth over short-term wins. 4. Learn about tax advantage accounts like 401k or IRAs to minimize taxes. 5. And most importantly, educate yourself continuously. The wealthy are constantly learning and adapting to new opportunities. Billionaires aren't superhuman, they just approach money differently. By adopting their strategies, you can start building wealth today, one step at a time. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the first strategy you're going to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who's serious about building wealth, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more insights that can transform your financial future. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Your journey to financial freedom starts here.